The morning is good because we remember that no matter what went wrong the previous days, we just got a perfect opportunity to rewrite history and do better. And it's time to see the bright opportunities. With these motivational lines, a very heartfelt morning to all. I'm Meenakshi from class 8 standing before you to present today's morning assembly. Prayer is man's greatest power. It is the key to all the treasures of our life and hereafter. Let's we take God's blessing first and start today's morning assembly with God's prayer. So everybody join your hands and close your eyes, start prayer. After prayer, we Indians are all part of one country and we are one people, and being a citizen of this country means to protect, defend and be loyal. And pledge reminds us our duties and responsibilities towards our country. Let's get ready to take pledge, and for this I would like to invite on stage Veer from class 8th. Thank you very much, Veer. Dear friends, there is always something new to learn, and our learning journey should never come to an end. We all need motivation to continue pushing ourselves development forward. And next I would like to invite on stage Pavitra from class 8 to share thought of the day. Good morning everyone, this is Pavitra. Thought of the day is: the most authentic thing about us is our capacity to create, to overcome, to endure, to transform, to love, and to be greater than our suffering. Thank you. Have a nice day. Thank you very much, Pavitra. News gives us leads to connect with remarkable people and events. It enriches our knowledge and makes us well informed. But we do not get time to read the newspapers daily. Let's get know today's news headlines. And for today's news headlines, I would like to invite on stage Sanyam from class 8th. Thank you very much, Sanyam, for today's news update. General knowledge is important for every citizen of India and world. It's important to focus on general knowledge as it enhances our skills, and there are so many ways by which one can improve his general information. Let us test our knowledge now. For today's GK quiz, I would like to invite Samita from class 8th. Thank you very much, Samita. The national anthem is a profound part of our lives. It's been with us since the minute we were born as our identity to the world. It's time to pay respect to our nation by singing national anthem. So everybody get ready for national anthem. And now today's assembly is over. Thank you very much for your cooperation. Have a nice day ahead.